Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn counting from 1 to 10. Are you ready? Okay, let's get started. This is 0. Yes, 0 has no value. It's mean nothing. This is 1. 1 apple. Kids, count with me. 1 apple. This is 2. 2 balls. Kids, count with me. 1 and 2. 2 balls. This is 3. 3 stars. Kids, count with me. 1, 2 and 3. 3 stars. This is 4. 4 ducks. Kids, count with me. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 ducks. This is 5. 5 fish. Kids, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 fish. This is 6. 6 butterflies. Kids, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 butterflies. This is 7. 7 cars. Kids, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 cars. This is 8. 8 flowers. Kids, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 8 flowers. This is 9. 9 birds. Kids, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 birds. This is 10. 10 balloons. Kids, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 balloons. Kids, count again together. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Very well done, kids. You did a great job. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe Mummy Teacher Kids Zone. Bye-bye.